Well, I don't know how I'm going to get through this part. This is the other half of the property I didn't get to go to. But you can see we got right next to the building. Wow. I heard this thing come down last night and it was...
Heard this go down last night?
Oh yeah.
This came down 15 minutes ago.
That's what I heard then.
Yeah. This just came down. We were in there.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Well, I was in the basement.
Day off?
Just gotta secure it now. I cannot believe how awesome this structure is, though.
Oh man.
The beams inside, if you go inside, there's nothing wrong. I mean, besides this roof.
Just except for the tree going through it.
No, but that's it. The beams stopped it.
Wow.
Oh, heartwood, redwood.
The olden stuff.
The good stuff.
Yep. This one's going on Facebook. Yep.
Pretty nice hole in that too.
Yeah. I'd be out there with a fucking metal detector.
I've got one. I know underneath this tree down over here, man, I dug down about 2 feet and I was still getting hit.
But nothing there, huh? Probably of gas or water. Old. Oh yeah?